Sibonile Bafana idlala against iMexico ne-Czech Republic. Yini Czech Republic ngilibite kahle igama le. Czechia.
It was Czech Republic. I'm not sure who's going to pronounce it right, but it's the same country they were.
The country they were.
Beating a Czech Republic, it's Czech, yeah.
Czechia. Ngiyakuthola ke Sibali. So sidlalile ama game lawo o2. I-game against iMexico, Sibali, let's not make sure, but the Czechia ngibone ngazuthi we played well, even though I feel we could have done better, yabo. But otherwise Sibali, what's your understanding ngale game yokuqala ye-Mexico? Uyibone njani le game?
I-game yokuqala eMexico, it was poor decision taking from coach. Again, our very first game, singenela your defender. What exactly are we defending?
With 8 defenders.
Yeah, we should have went to the game with the mentality to win. It World Cup is just 3 games. Kill or be killed. I'm going to fire my defender like that. There was no creativity.
Next. And you have Reynolds and Foster bahleli phambili doing nothing. There's no one laba supply ngebhola.
Now we're going to back vacation. I think the game they should just start my hope. Simboni Reynolds absent. Akusikhulume ngaFroster sonke siyamade.
Akadelive. Akakaze asendele lutho mina ngimbonile nje kuma qualifiers ku AFCON nix.
Overall squad select creativity ne progression, because lama midfielder labafaka onke kana creativity. Who's going to pass? Lama wingers, who's going to pass the strikers? That's why every time my ball is with our midfield, my wingers ubona police namaseko babuya to fetch the ball. But when they don't believe good to ball it out figure go. But the moment Jason cuts in the ball by then how are we going to score? Articles afuna good lands the ball at part.
That's the last game that we played where we played 1-1, right? Yeah. But I think yena Loguta deploy my wing at that game. Hugo Bros, he did well. We needed wingers even from game Mexico. What I fail to understand even now, Guti, why are you bringing in Bata as a number 10, where we actually need a creative player like Mofokeng? We saw exactly how the game changed. The dynamics of the game changed completely, Magena Mofokeng, and we needed that energy in the first game.
Yeah, Mfukeng Wamela the game. I call it as a number 10. Let's put like a sense of creativity. The moment Mfukeng Abane Bola, a police at Gejim and Marcelo Gejim. I think Marcelo Melabuele, because it was winning the penalty and so now they're confident there.
Yeah, Marcelo played a really good game. And the Begas Magai Bamba Bobona would see he has that ambition Yoga Pambidi. Yogo Fagi Pole Poxini. And your core, so and na police I think he had a good game, though I feel he could have gave us more than what he delivered in that game. It was not truly the police that we know. And Mongotu Abuga Sbal go on my player as a South Africa across. Ngatsi they can't really manage a big stage. Ngatsi siyabashaya stage the school. Even in Bonena Williams, Magangena, you can tell from Buso Bake, the opening game, Guti, he was a bit scared.
But it's the red card. You can't do the players.
But there are some players as Bali. We are logo. It's the first time. By show my commentator, it's the first time we World Cup. Mario Akbona good logo. Ngazu kumbe kuneminyaka leminingi over kudlala World Cup.
Maybe the more because Songena the confidence it built like a team. They say the team they could as a Europe, even if it's your first World Cup. And another mentality which we are going to win. See, like the involved. So I don't think Namfuke.
Exactly. Bonge. But his debut was outstanding.
Yeah, he was good. He should start. He should start. Or maybe last fire our big gun. See mentally because we are going to kill them or they are going to kill us.
Okay. So how would you play it? You are Hugo Bros right now, and we are about to face South Korea.
I have a very controversial take. My concern now is Debs.
Okay.
Debs are bringing some sort of stability in the midfield, and Usman Debs uyaglamela hlabe khona, uyaglamela defend the corner. Like he's a proper 6 Debs.
Nah, well, no one can dispute that.
He's suspended. Yeah. Then it's fine.
Sinenkinga lekhulu kakhulu. Okay, obviously we have Mbatha. Yabona, which udlala position la igame yakhe first year. It was it the first udlalile against Mexico. Yeah, he played. I think Bamba Fagile as a substitute. Yeah, but the game le ladlale khona against Chechnya. He played a real good, even though it was not his natural position. If we drop him back to his natural position, I replace Debs, I think we stand much a better chance. Obvious, so limala without Debs, but Mbatha can fill that role.
Then shit I have a controversial take. If ever name Hugo Broos, I found Boaz as a number 6.
As a number 6?
I will explain why.
Then how do you then you're leaving a huge gap at the back?
I found a man or someone. Boaz. One thing that my fans of football I notice, or something that he doesn't get credit for. Boaz is a corner pass. Boaz is confident on his feet. And then Boaz has played to a big stage where I'm born with Saga 2. And he has that shot. So if ever Adoba a number 6, I scenario le umthwalo defender. Then he can be free, he can take risk, and it's a kind of shooter. But
then what about the creativity also that comes with a number 6?
There's number 6, there's number 8, there's number 10. We can put Mbogazi as a number 6. The primary rule for the number 6 is to defend, kind of like to connect Sisu and defense.
The defense, yeah.
Mbogazi can do that. We are born in a games, ufuna your attacker, but then again we are to see the more I attack, the more she gap the move. If ever there's someone who's going to close the gap from Mbogazi, then we might stand a chance. La is kill
or be killed.
Mbogazi malabe mkhathini abe ne directive ukuthi kwamele uphumuna at least 5 shots. 5 shots of those.
Yeah, and siyamat lama shots lawo.
Udubula ibhola, le bhola bathi.
And le bhola leyafo inetinto te technology la phakathi nemathawu ushaya kwazintileka kwazana. Udulile Boaz.
Now, like one of my trying to do something called bafuna Mbogazi ayisho. Asimnike le freedom there. Like I shall 5 times at least.
Igoli liyophuma.
On target.
Igoli liyophuma.
Ndamana ngasakavarisha ukabino whosoever Hugo Broos bacaba ukuthi angasakavarisha lapha.
And lapho i-directive yakhe Mbogazi, yes, you have those shots, but they cover the back.
Yeah, we are back and so lapho zendlela kusimaka hambile ngale gap ikhona le 2 le lapha. Masifaka Mbatha lapha. But as much as now he can shoot outside the box, but outside the box, shot power yakhe is not as good as Mbogazi. Mbogazi is about we are pass.
But Mbatha he's good ngala long range.
He's good ngala.
He has proven himself lots of times.
Unanga shots to a World Cup, but I can't shoot.
Ushutile le game leona le besiyidlala, but it was not on target.
Yeah, we are mbona what he wants to shoot, he wants to score. Why can't we just give him that freedom? Because okay, again we shy. That's why I said I have a contribution.
No, I understand meanness, but I want and umuntu utawuphikisa ngoba uyafuna ukuphikisa and they are well within their rights ukuthi baphikise, yabo. But sibali lelo isho ngiyayibona le vision lo isho. Nika Mbogazi no number 6 ucetha umtshela ukuthi akafulele ebhalini. And njengoba usho ukuthi ucale wayibeka kahle ngema-passes akhe mbokazi is very good ukha ngaphambili ukha ngemuva
Yeah, utawukhona
Yabo.
kubapasa bomaseko.
What I'm worried about Nesibali ngilokuthi manje maseka under pressure lapha esuswini because I don't think umnanzi ngeskill in terms of sometimes you will be required to kuthi nyalo la kumele umshaye ngeskill umuntu umdluli uyangithola
Ngibanga le skills bali to midfield la skill ungasho ukuthi this is a skilled player.
but uyakhona control ibhola uyakhona nokuyijika ibhari makumele ijike
Usho ukuthi Mbokazi angahlola jiba.
or not with the same intensity or the same speed nangale awareness yokushaya speed or skill as
abe nawo wonke ama qualities. But equality la nayo if ever uyadzingeka in terms of defense utaba khona lapha. Njengoba Debs naye khona kubeya back home. Trip ibhola phansi Mbokazi is confident on his feet. Of all lama players la khona squadini Mbokazi is the most confident but uyambona ukuthi lo mfana uyayifuna le. And njengoba ngisho this is our last game.
And-
Kill or be killed.
and uyakhona nokuthi abone igap ukuthi yabona nyalo la I can take a shot uyabo
Khona lo wayishaya Pirate but yayidu wangena khona wangena
yeah asuka le back what ngakho boy
mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mbokazi unazo skill but akanayo opportunity
But-
those skills.
Hugo Bros being Hugo Bros uyathi ukuthi sikayibona lento leyo
Nah, akathathi ma risk nomchitha loyo ufuna like the standard lineup.
and I feel like another thing nyalo njengoba siyoface South Korea is ranked higher than all of the teams in our group yabo and he went there go Mexico and defended he would want to do the same thing against the South Korea and right now we have nothing to lose already sesiphumile World Cup in the way things look if siyadliwa or siyadraw or anything yabo so yena into lekumele ayende nyalo ukuthi aye all out but Hugo Bros being Hugo Bros uyofuna kuyidefender ilo i-South Korea ngeke za attack
Uyidefendela.
igame where we have nothing to lose
South Korea is not as good as it used to be. Akusini le South Korea le lesiyadiwe. South Korea le shanga intensity lesi.
makubonela titrainer njani
Sibalekela train masakrisa soldier wakushaya futhi.
akuse titrainer ngathi tiembili doda bakusiyabona phana bagijima baphamisa tinsimbi bagumla tindo mina hey kuyoliwa la
But ibanceda njani le football? I-South Korea yona in terms of intensity bagijima.
Yeah, bagijima.
Fine.
akusasingile South Korea liyakudzala
Akumelanga sithi ku South Korea ngale mentality ukuthi siyabasaba mase ngena lapha sisiya defend. La is either siwina 3 or bashaya 3. Siye ukuthi siyowina noma bashaya 3 but sibe attack like we have nothing
to lose okay sibali nyalo ngishayile first 11 yakho
the first 11 yami Williams but on the right ngifaka sibele we are attacking ya mdawa ke kancane because must attack it tend to be a liability at times process aka better angibonja at any vein attacking wise
yeah we need Mike Mamosha
then as far akona lapha he has proven to be a solid defender
no very solid
yeah ngoba we last man so far number 1 uyayithona ngefront of ngifaka Ndamane ngifaka Modiba
okay
njengoba ngishilo ukuthi
and both those Modiba and Sibele they can push up high and assist in attack
emkhathini ngifaka Mbokazi as number 6
okay all right
then ngifaka Adams is a number 8 then ngifaka Rele as a number 10
okay
ngifaka Maseko on my right ngifaka Police on the left then ngifaka ngamahope
you said 10 Mofokeng
yeah akabuyi select creativity ibhola sayawina in terms of position I don't think South Africa is doing that bad ibhola sayawina but aside
exactly and we had 59 ball position against the Church
yeah meaning we can control the ball
control the ball
but because bese siyendlani phambili is take up njani senza njani like
we do not have that creativity
and uma kusima wingers 8 every time i-midfield nebhola then bana batofuna ukuthi abatolanza ibhola futhi angescore. And let's see then a sense of agency.
But if you're saying you need Sibelebele at the back and you have Masego, right? Masego can actually cut in because obviously siyamat Mamosha uyochubeka libambe kahle line la Masego grand yabo. So we have more numbers in attack and people who are capable of creating chances and scoring.
Sibelebele amathi njini usephambili usemva.
Yonke lento uphambili nasemuva so.
The sense of agency.
Yeah, ngiyibonile lento leyo Sibali. Ngiyibonile lento leyo.
We want to
Siya-relaxa.
like why it's
Yini lesi-relaxela?
Mas relaxile then ma wingers etsabuya futhi sifuna kudlala ibhola ngathi Sundowns my leader 1-0 usisiphasana
Uyakuthola. Asambeni siyokora. Ngisho noma siluza, we don't have that sense of agency yokuthi maye we are losing, we want to equalize. Asinayo lento leyo. Nje sidlala ibhola se-relaxile. Ungafunga ukuthi siyawina or anything.
I now 1-0 nga 3-0 ukuthi vele we are comfortable lapha sidlale ibhola nje sithi boshe lesikhathi. Line up yakho sona.
Ayami Sibali la ku backline. And now except for Ndamane, I bring back Mbogazi. Yabo. Mbogazi obviously center back with Okone. Then Mike Mamosha on the right, Modiba on the left. Then phakathi esuswini, I will have to replace Captain Longana Skundla ngama talent awafani. Then ngishiye Adams on the side, supporting Adams ku number 8. On the right, Moremi. On the left, Polisi. Then esuswini Mufukeni. Then Pambili Mahopa vele ngilipagadi forward. No, it's not it's not favorism. No, aksik favors man.
There's no way you want to Masego doesn't deserve to play.
No, he deserves it.
Then what?
He deserves it. He delivered. He did a good job. And even if angadlala the game, that's why I would need him as an impact player. But for now, Moremi.
No, but umbulala spirit ungamane substitute because confident lo mfana ulwile it's like the position that's good because of him. So I want to go then the next game but say siyabencha ngona kanjani.
But we do need Moremi in the field this ball.
Moremi singamfaka substitute.
Akusikwakufeva or njani.
Uyafeva Sibali.
Sibali akusikwakufeva.
In terms of my qualities yini Moremi la letha Maseko la ngasiniki yona.
Speed.
Yeah.
Speed. Just like you said, you just mentioned here, we do not have the sense of agency. If you want South Africa, Bafana, to have that agency, that drive to go forward and with speed when we attack, then bring in Moremi.
The problem is sense of agency, ila imkhathini. Abayad labantu abala imkhathini abana creativity. Sine ma wingers 8 most of the time akaphumi wabona gijima. The moment the ball abuya.
And another thing that you must also concede, is that you have Mike Mamosha, Moremi up front. They've been playing together. They know how to coordinate to the ball together. So little side like right, we have to solid. No, angeke Pirates yonke. But ngiyalo samkutshela ama reasons.
Okay, Sibali to squad. Man of the match yakho ya last game.
Man of the match ya last game. Hey, why you think so? But I have to give it to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
2.
I think Masego played a really good game.
The guy that performed second best was
Right now, like I said, right now, Sibali, we need to go there to win. And so, and we need to do it fast. In as much as Masego fought in that game, for that occasion, he did well. It's a different occasion now. And with different occasion, we need to deploy different strategies. And my strategy now is to deploy Muremi as a wing.
But it's bad if a certain strategy works. I want to change that. And they cool, they say she must start until they like confident. One must say that like you can tell the mentality is different. Banga sabe that game, Bombona would say we have fun like to face them head on. In terms of mentality, Marcelo have way better mentality compared to Morem. Morem suksela kadlali. Ungena lapha mindset yakhe, I don't think it went out there right. Marcelo ulapho uyifilile the pressure so sintshintshela. Why is Chicho Marcelo?
Sibal ngicabanga ngachaza kuze ngeke ungunderstand vele.
Speed. But Marcelo, other than Mokwena, he has been our best player. You can say, okay, for the next, and then now we are Mbulana. You know, more somebody as a substitute, he wouldn't be as good because without feel somehow. Last game perform, we are in this position because of him.
You have a solid point there.
Yeah, like this him.
And I agree.
The exact same thing.
I agree. Moremi as an impact player, because I think the point that you showing le confidence maso let's le confidence. Masego unayo le confidence. Uyambona even when he's on the ball, he's comfortable. Uyabo akasabi no challenge al player. Uyabona ukuthi ulizulisa ulethe ucetha uthathe le ball uyibuyisele esuswini. Uyakhona kudlala, and njengoba ushilo 2 games already. Yokuqala bekathukile, which is natural for any player. That's a big stage, especially you're playing against the co-host and it's the opening game. So bekathukile. Second game wabuya confidence, not only to him, to most of the players. You understand? Not only to him. Sibonile nje ngale kan mabadlale game second half ukuthi uyabona manje they wanted to win, they wanted to score a second goal. So for most of them, I agree with you there, Masego, in that I think the only few changes then went out. It's Ndamane out, Mbogazi pull back, then pull back Mbata also from the number 10, bring in Mufukeng.
But I'm feeling man. Akekho for me.
Akekho. Esibali ngicela uhambe you go and look at the stats. You might not have seen the wow moment because that's what you see replays on. You understand? But go and look at the stats. He had a beautiful game.
But numbers don't lie. But
yeah, they do not.
When it comes to football, I feel as if numbers sometimes lie.
No, they do not.
Let's say passes, for instance. Ungasapuma to mention 60 passes like useless.
But if they are if all those passes is bad, they are 100% are completed, accuracy is 100%. Then we are talking about a player there that does not lose the ball, and also you do not lose position. Then we are talking that's not useless. But that's what we need.
But what impact does your passes have? As William Ted or Chiefs. Total 100 more passes it working good and I use full pass.
Pella, that's Mted.
Because good, but in terms of without killer pass or pass ya kilo la pelapa, I am rated that high.
Akekho da.
Yeah, akekho da. Sometimes people ask about who pass the next person. Napinza pass, who pass the next person. Napinza pass. Mazo puma na puna 100%.
I got told us bad. But the impact yambat. I actually have the stats, but I don't recall it. But I have the stats. Dr. Dela Soda, and I'm gonna post it here I'm gonna post it here for the video here.
Yeah, vele is our only option if ever ngoba le yakambokazi emkhathini vele ithanda ukuba lukhuni. So vele stuff, the chances are high up there ukuthi utawungena Mbatha campaign but if ever don't get lapha abamnike directive ukuthi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abanike Mbokazi ukuthi you should shoot
Epalini.
Thina sifuna asikhoni like to pass kuma tight
Spaces.
yeah, asikhoni. So we have to rely on long range. So Mbatha,
Which is what Mbatha will bring.
yeah, Mbatha makangena lapha shoot, but Mbokazi can do it better than Mbatha
In terms of shots.
in terms of shots. Yeah, and the argument Mbokazi is not that bad. It's not like ushama bolo
Lokwa galishaya palo lokwa. Galishaya palo lokwa.
Shots on target. Ayishaya le bhola le comfortable so stabana nel goal, at least one goal.
Nah, lona ligoli liyadzingakala sibali.